My name is Robert Pirtle. I'm a business development manager with Allstate Technical Services.
Tell us a little bit about the company.
Allstate Technical Services has been in business for over 67 years as a staffing and recruitment firm. They're the 15th largest engineering, staffing, and recruitment firm in the U.S. Our parent company is Kellogg Brown & Root. We do the MSP program from them as well as our enterprise staffing.
What's new with the turf contracts? And tell us a bit more about the turf contracts too.
The turfing contracts have evolved over the last 6 years. At one point in time, you had about 4 major turfers. AT&T has gone out and invited more turf vendors to be kind of a second-tier vendor in several different markets. Right now, we can count about 8 different turf vendors that are out there that work on that AT&T project, and it's a huge thing. It's changing the face of business and rates and the way people interact with the carriers. We think that it's going to start to kind of come out from some of the other vendors, some of the other carriers here in the next couple of years. So it's a huge deal.
What jobs are in the highest demand right now in the mobile and wireless space?
Right now, there's a big demand for the tower climbers, as well as for site acquisition with the Sprint Vision projects, with AT&T, with T-Mobile, and that whole deal. What we've seen is there's a lot of site acquisition stuff going on. And right now, there's markets where you can't find enough folks. We've seen that for tower climbers as well. With all of the projects that are going on, there are not enough good, experienced tower climbers to meet the demand. As well as BTS technicians, installation techs. Those are very high demand folks for us right now.
How are you finding people today in terms of using LinkedIn? What job boards do you use and that sort of thing?
Well, of course, we use Telecom Careers, but we use all of the boards in a fashion. We do a lot of searches online. We do some postings, but most of what we get in is word of mouth. You always want to use folks that know somebody who refers somebody, knows that they have a good job record. But the boards, definitely, the Telecom Careers are a big asset to us.
So tell us about a day in the life of a business development manager.
It's a lot of shaking hands, a lot of talking, and a lot of phone calls. Going out, trying to find new business opportunities, get out, meet customers, trying to make sure they know that we're here for them when they're ready and when they need us. And so that is my job, is to manage those accounts and to find new ones and to build the relationships with our customers.